Welcome to Smoffin channel. Today, let's walk through the installation of your Rossendale Ceiling Fan. It's easy install by following the installation manual. And first, let's take a look what is inside the box. After opening the box, the first step is installing the fan blades onto the motor. Unscrew the prefix screw on the light panel, then remove the panel. Insert the fan blades onto the motor and screw them tight. Put the light panel back and screw it. Second step, put the LED light board on the panel, which is magnet. Then plug the pin wire into the terminal. Next step, we need to assemble the downrod with the canopy and downrod cover. After that, feed the pin wires from the motor through the downrod. Tighten the screws on the both sides of the downrod and slide down the wires cover. If you're unfamiliar with wiring or uncomfortable doing it yourself, please contact a qualified electrician for the following steps. Put the bracket holder on the ceiling and tighten to screws. Hang up the fan to the holder. Remember to turn off the power, then connect the wires with the nuts. Install the canopy and tighten the screws. Lastly, install the lamp. The part of the ceiling fan installation is finished. You can also wiring the wall switch as a control option. Connect the black wire from switch to fan output wire. Connect the brown wire from switch to hot wire. Please remember that do not reverse those wires connection. Congratulations, you finished the whole installation. Now you can enjoy your ceiling fan with remote or wall switch. You can change the fan speed, rotation, or lighting in your favor.